Imperial Shandong Braised Pork Knuckle, Red-Braised Pang. A delicious Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 3 hours. Here is what you'll need. 1.5 kilograms pork knuckle, 5 slices ginger, 2 tablespoons Shaoxing Rice Wine, 2 stalks green onions, 50 grams rock sugar, 3 pieces Star Anise, 1 piece cinnamon stick, 3 pieces bay leaves, 4 pieces dried red chilies, 6 pieces garlic cloves. Step 1. Clean the pork knuckle thoroughly. Use a kitchen torch or a razor to remove any stray hairs. Score the skin slightly in a diamond pattern without cutting into the meat to help the fat render and flavors penetrate. Step 2. Place the pork knuckle in a large pot of cold water. Add the blanching ingredients, ginger, green onion, and rice wine. Bring to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes, skimming off any grey foam that rises to the surface. Step 3. Remove the knuckle and rinse under cold running water to tighten the skin. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for the next step. Step 4. In a heavy-bottomed wok or Dutch oven, add 2 tablespoons of oil and the rock sugar over low heat. Stir constantly until the sugar melts and turns a deep umber, bubbly caramel. This is the tongue se, sugar color, technique. Step 5. Carefully place the pork knuckle into the caramel. Turn it gently to coat the skin in the dark sugar. Be cautious of oil splatters. Step 6. Add the ginger slices, garlic, star anise, cinnamon, bay leaves, and dried chilies to the pot. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes until the spices are fragrant. Step 7. Pour in the Shaoxing rice wine to deglaze the pot, followed by the light and dark soy sauces. Add the chicken stock or water until the knuckle is mostly submerged. Step 8. Bring the liquid to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Cover with a tight-fitting lid. Step 9. Braise for 2.5 to 3 hours. Every 45 minutes, gently turn the knuckle and spoon the braising liquid over the exposed top to ensure even coloring. Step 10. Check for doneness by piercing the meat with a chopstick. It should slide in with zero resistance. Once tender, carefully lift the knuckle out and place it on a serving platter. Step 11. Strain the remaining braising liquid into a clean saucepan. Boil it over high heat to reduce by half, concentrating the flavors into a thick, syrupy glaze. Step 12. Whisk in the cornstarch slurry and cook for 1 minute until the sauce is glossy and coats the back of a spoon. Pour this rich glaze generously over the pork knuckle. Step 13. Arrange blanched bok choy around the base of the knuckle and serve immediately while steaming hot. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.